Welcome learners. I've been trying to do a series of videos showing you how you can easily open a Moodle account, update your profile, add a course, a category, add users, as well as you can add several important things like files, folders, videos, etc. in your own course. So I would suggest that practice makes a person perfect. So you should practice on Moodle. There are so many things to explore. There are so many shortcuts which I'm sure you'll be able to discover as soon as you try your hands on Moodle. Now, whatever videos I have made, I'll put in the description box here in this video. Today's video right now is mainly quiz centric, and I would show you how you can add an individual quiz and also how you can add bulk quizzes from question bank. So let's get started. I'll currently click on the research methodology course to add quizzes here. Scroll down and under this I want to add the quizzes. So initially what I'll do is I'll turn the editing on. So I'll click on the settings button on the top right hand corner, turn editing on, scroll and then click on add an activity or resource. Right now we'll add an activity, that is quiz. Click on quiz and add. You can name the quiz as basic quiz, and in the description you can just say research quiz. Further, choose to display on the description on the course page. Click on timing. You can enable the timing of opening the quiz or closing the quiz quite easily here. Right now I don't want to enable this. I just want to enable the time limit. So whenever the student will open the quiz, he or she will have just 1 minute to attempt the quiz, because right now we are adding individual quizzes. This is one question. So I'll just add time limit. Click save and return to course. Once you do that, see, basic quiz has been added. Now click on basic quiz. After that you can see no questions have been added yet. There's a time limit of 1 minute. So to add question, you click on edit quiz. If you're giving a multiple choice question, then you can click on shuffle. So the options will be coming in a shuffled way to the students. I'll just add a new question here. I'll just add it true or false. You can add multiple choice or short answer, anything. Just add. Now, the important thing is category. Now, I want my question to be placed under default for basic quiz because I have created that particular option. Now, question name, my first question. And you can just write the text here, like I can write the question. The first step of research is to formulate a problem. Alright, this can be a question. Option A, true, it's a statement. Option A is true, option B is false. Alright, default mark 1 is fine. General feedback you can add or not. Correct answer in my case shall be true. Keep scrolling down. I don't think you need to change anything right now. Just save the changes. Once you save the changes, see the question has already been added. You just save it. Total marks is 1. Let's go back and check whether the question has been added or not. I've gone back to my course. Yes, PPTs and move files, and now basic quiz. Let's click on it. Yes, the question has been added. So the student can attempt the quiz now. It's done. Now let's try and add bulk quizzes from the question bank. For that, let's get back to the course again. My editing is already on. I would add another activity. In that, I'll add a quiz. Add a quiz. The name of the quiz, let's say general quiz on research. Description, attempt attempt to know anything. Of course, yes. Now display the description. Timing, I want to add 5 questions. So right now I'll just give a time limit of 5 minutes. You can also enable these two, or you can choose when to open the quiz, when to close the quiz, etc. Right now I'll just save and return to course. That's it. General quiz on research has been added. Now we'll import the research quizzes from question bank. But before that, let's see how a document gets Moodle ready. Yes, this is the Word document. Now there are 2 processes. If you are working on Windows, then you can easily open the notepad and write these questions. But right now I'm using Mac, so I'll tell you how you can do this in Mac. So yes, you write the questions exactly in this form. This is Moodle ready. No numbers for the questions. The options will be in the form of capital A, B, C, D and capitals. No questions numbers. And just beneath the question, you will add the correct answer. This should be a Moodle ready format. Now what you have to do is, you have to save this particular document. You have to save this particular document in plain text .txt. You have to save it in plain text. And I have just saved it in plain text. Yes. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I have made my document Moodle ready for now. Now let's see how we can import those quizzes. I have my editing on. Just need to go back to the settings on the upper right hand corner and click on More, the last option. Once you click on More, you see this page opening. Continue with course administration, go to question bank and click on categories. I like to add my quizzes to categories so that I can find them later. So for default category BRM, no, I want this to be top for research methodology. That's the name of the course. Name, let's say general quizzes on research. Right? Now category info, you can add a category info or you can just leave it. Just go ahead and add the category. So actually you have added the category. As you can see, general quizzes on research. And there are 0 questions added. Now is the time to add the questions, import the questions. To import the questions, I'll just click on import. Just beside the categories, click on imports, and you want to import your questions from the question bank. So first they'll ask you about the file format. Click on icon format. Then please click on general because you would like to add the category. I have already added the category general quizzes on research. So I want my questions to be popping up under this category itself. Please unclick these two, it's not required. The rest, just leave the rest. Now import, it's time to import the file, so you can choose a file. I had saved my file as basic research quizzes Moodle. Just open it. It's a question bank which has 5 questions. Now upload this file. See, your file is appearing here. Now you have to import. Click on import. See, this is the question preview. The questions have already been imported. Now just click on continue. See, it's already there. It's showing general quizzes on research. 4 is the number of questions and the questions are going to be appearing here. It's totally fine. Now just go back to BRM and I'll go back to general quizzes on research. Click on it. Still there are no questions which have been added because we have just imported the questions. We have not added the question here. Please click on edit quiz and simply go to add. Click on add from question bank. So click on this. When you click on add from question bank, they'll ask you the category. So you can click on general quizzes on research under the category where you have added all these questions. I will choose all my questions to be added. So add selected questions to the quiz. Please add it. Fine, they have been added already. So just go ahead and save it. See, I'll tell you there are so many simple ways also to add quiz. I just discovered this to be the most easy one for right now. And yes, finally, successfully, I have been able to add quizzes. Just save it. Let's go and check. Let's go and check whether the quiz has been added or not. I'll just again click on the main page. Scrolling down, I have general quiz on research. Let's click on it and see whether, yes, absolutely, the quiz has been added here. See, the time limit is 5 minutes. And let's see, attempt the quiz. Yes, it has been added. Done. Okay, so we have learned how to add a quiz individually and how to add the quiz in bulk. Okay, thank you so much for your time and happy learning, everybody. Bye-bye.